I usually don't meal prep, but I feel that I constantly go to the grocery store and like spend so much money, and I'm really trying not to spend a ton of money right now. So we're gonna meal prep some breakfast, some snacks, and some lunch, because those things I don't eat with my boyfriend, but dinner we always usually eat together. Most of the time I'm actually making myself something different, so I realistically could meal prep dinner, but I'm gonna stick to breakfast, lunch, and snacks because I feel like that's the most realistic for me. Lunch, most of the time I'm so busy, I don't like to like sit there and cook something that takes super long, which these aren't really gonna take long because I'm someone who needs like food to be quick. I don't like waiting a long time. If I'm hungry, let's cook this food. Let's get it ready, you know? But that's just how I am. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm about to go into the grocery store, and once I get out, I will show y'all what I've got. I look a tad bit of a hot mess, but I'm not putting on makeup to go to the grocery store at 8 a.m. It's just not happening. Not happening. Also, I forgot to mention that I do try to eat mostly whole foods just because I'm trying to reduce as much inflammation in my body as possible, while also someone just pulled up next to me at the light. But now 2 people. It's quite awkward. Like, do I continue to talk? I guess so, because I already am. Anywho, I'm trying to reduce inflammation and build my metabolism back up by slowly increasing my calories, and I find the best way of being able to do that is eating whole foods that don't make me bloated and gassy, because I have stomach issues and I'm trying to figure out really what the actual like culprits are, I guess, because I have felt so great on like eating more whole foods and not processed things, which I really realistically wasn't eating a ton of processed things before, but just cutting most processed out and eating things that come from the earth, fruits, vegetables, potatoes, stuff like that. It's been really good for me. So we're gonna continue to do it and hope that it only gets better. Okay, about to go into the grocery store. Okay, we're back, and I'm gonna show you everything that I got from the grocery store. A good little haul. So I got some oats for some pumpkin muffins, some granola for my yogurt bowls, avocado, chicken, ground turkey, eggs, sweet potatoes, bananas, apples, cauliflower rice, strawberry, zucchini, some base culture sourdough bread. It is gluten-free, some broccoli, pumpkin puree, black beans, these little condiments, some peppers, the best teriyaki sauce, ketchup, and of course I had to get this little water flavoring because I live by these, and some maple syrup, vanilla, and some pumpkin pie spice. So let's get to cooking. These sweet potatoes decided to give me a hard time and didn't want to come off this tinfoil. So we love that, of course, but don't worry, they were still delicious. If this happens to you, just mush them all together, put them in a bowl, and eat them. I promise you, they're delicious. Yes, they are. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember to subscribe, to comment down below and tell me kind of some videos that you want to see in the future, and like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.